Good day, gentle people! It's your favorite Mr. 42. Welcome back to my channel. I don't really feel like sticking to one topic or giving one fluff all the attention today. So let's just check a bunch of videos and see where we get. Warning, some videos will be taken out of context for comedy value. Let's start with Jake the Asshole. He seems to have an identity crisis.
Flat Earth Asshole here, or Jake the Asshole, or Jake Gibson. Any of those will do.
Also, it's pretty hard to define his standpoint.
Let this be the end of the fake flat Earth. The future starts now. This is a full-on boycott. Tell all your flat earther friends the jig is up on the circle frisbee map. We do not live on a blue pizza. The time is now to call for a boycott. You're either with me or against me. Boycott, 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 boycott.
Okay, that's a bit confusing. Let's move on. Daniel Pratt can't attack the argument, so he continues attacking the person.
42 people actually want this clown to think he's doing a great job debunking flat Earth.
There are a bit more than 42, Daniel, but I'm pretty sure you have problems with numbers.
Watch his eyes and notice how he has to read this off of a script.
No, I actually don't need to, but it does make it easier sometimes. Maybe you should try it. Perhaps it will make you sound less like a babbling fool. Yeah, okay, who am I kidding? That will never work for you. And on top of that, as proven by your own comment, you don't know online expressions. I was today years old when was not a mistake and used correctly. You are an idiot.
A sextant from NASA, our favorite source. A sextant is a tool for measuring the altitude angle, elevation angle of a star above the horizon.
Hey QE, you know what else I found in a document? Question. What does the change in position of a star in one night indicate? Answer. The motion of a star during one night is due to the motion of the Earth as it rotates. Question. What does the change in position of a star at a particular time of night over a period of days or weeks indicate? Answer. A star in a different position at 10 p.m. on one date to 10 p.m. on a subsequent date indicates that the Earth moves around the Sun, revolutionary motion, constantly changing stellar background throughout the year. That's cherry picking.
You're saying that there's a horizontal plane and that's above the plane of the Earth. So we've got
That's the horizontal plane of your eyesight, of your eye line, of the telescope of the sextant. You're making a reading with a sextant.
It's over. Right here with elevation angle. Elevation angle, you need a horizontal, flat, level, adjacent, period. Britannica. In the hands of a practice observer, the modern sextant can be used to measure elevation angles with an accuracy of 10 seconds of arc. That is close enough to determine a ship's north-south position within a few hundred meters.
Okay QE, go back to the Britannica page and look for the word curvature. It is mentioned on the same page. Also, I found this picture there. Cherry picking again, huh?
And finally, Princeton astronomy. All the observer does now is to use a sextant to measure the angle of altitude.
Look what I found on that same page. This is not going very well for you, is it? Did you forget to check the website you share?
It's simply over right here. There's no argument against this argument. Conclusion, you must have horizontal plane baselines, like I mentioned before, the adjacent, to obtain elevation angles using a sextant.
Or it's a horizontal plane to your level eye line.
This is a death blow. Because there are no horizontal planes on a spinning monkey ball.
The two elevation values are how far above the horizontal plane the sight lines are.
This is a death blow. Because there are no horizontal planes on a spinning monkey ball.
He repeats the same derp a few more times. I will not bore you with that. Unless you want me to. Well, okay then. Let's watch a bit more how he makes a fool of himself.
By looking horizontally, getting the angle of altitude.
This is a death blow. Because there are no horizontal planes on a spinning monkey ball.
A straight line perpendicular to it as our horizontal. That's just something the sextant does. That's the way it's designed to work.
This is a death blow. Because there are no horizontal planes on a spinning monkey ball. Ergo, the Earth is not a spinning monkey ball. Simple as that. You're finished.
And we also know the angle of elevation to that particular object in the sky.
We're going to measure this angle right here, and that's our altitude of the object.
The elevation values are how far above the horizontal plane the sight lines are.
We have a horizontal plane from your eye line.
That's fantastic. Thank you for confirming that, Sean Hawkins. You're now the third person that is confirming that we have a horizontal plane parallel with the plane of the Earth.
Say good night. Why? 2021 to 2000, who knows, is the age of the sextant.
I'm sure my fellow debunkers will be delighted, because you will be smacked around with it many times.
All children naturally assume and believe we live on a level, stationary Earth, with the sun, moon, and stars revolving over and around us.
And that's quite enough of Eric the Bay and his self-declaration of mental age. Let's see how B the Change is not getting it.
Look how it looks like it's going straight up like a rocket. Just like that one went straight up. It's not curving, it's just going straight across like this one.
Look, this is relatively straight. Well, my daughter made it a bit bent, but that's not important. But it looks pretty straight. For a circle. It's pretty amazing, isn't it?
It's just going straight across a flat plane. So it's going straight. It's not curving. If you get straight at it, it looks like it's going straight up. And then if you stay here long enough, it's going to look like it goes straight down.
Yeah, it looks really straight. For a circle. Like this. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty tired from all this derp. So that's it for today. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And in the description you'll find links to my Discord, Twitter and some support pages. This has been Mr. 42, out. Don't panic.